Hey everyone, what I'm going to do today is show you how to install a mulching cover onto a John Deere E130 tractor. As you can see here, I went ahead and started out by propping the deflector up with some cables or a bungee cord. Next thing you need to do is go ahead and move this out of the way. So you do that by pulling this towards you and then lifting it up. And then it should stay up. If it doesn't stay up when you pull it out and lift it up, if it doesn't stay up, try pushing it over to the left a little bit. There's a little clip in the back. Sometimes it doesn't catch. If it doesn't, just pull it over to the left, and at that point it should catch. Now if you look at the way it's installed on the box, it would show you that you need to clip it like this, but when you do, it actually tears into your paint. So one way you can do it instead is flip it the other direction and slide it in, and there you have it here. I don't know if you can see that. So now you don't have to worry about the sharp edge rubbing up against the paint and tearing it up. Now from here, as you can see here, there's a little clip piece that actually fits in between here. So you need to go ahead and maneuver it so the clip goes behind it. There you go. At that point it slides in. You need to make sure that this tab fits inside this little well here. Once you do, you go ahead and move the camera around. At this point, you have an option of either putting the clip in this hole or this hole. I'll probably just clip it on that one since it's a little bit easier to use. And at that point, that's it. As you can see, it's now in here pretty tight. And then you can go ahead and just release that. As you can see, it's going to ride pretty high now thanks to this mulch cover. And if you wanted to, you could remove it. I think John Deere recommends leaving it on there just for safety reasons. I'll probably try using it like this at first, see how it works, and if it annoys me, then I'll just remove it later. But that's it. You now got the mulching cover installed and it's ready to mulch. Alright, well, I hope this was helpful to you. Again, this was the mulching cover installed onto a John Deere. This is the E130 series. Again, it's the E130 series riding lawnmower. Alright, thanks for tuning in, and y'all have a good day.